In this video, we are going to explain about the experiment that we performed during Lab 3 of ES116 course. Our experiment is to study about LDR using Arduino Uno. Light dependent resistor LDR is a semiconducting material. This principal measurement of LDR involves its change in resistance with varying light levels. When light falls on the LDR, it provides some energy to electrons, allowing them to move from valence band to conduction band. This transition increases the conductivity of LDR as more electrons are now free to move, facilitating increase in current, leading to increase in voltage and decrease in resistance.
I am going to describe the circuit diagram. As we can see in the figure, the LDR and resistor both are connected in series combination with 5 volt input of Arduino Uno. The junction between LDR and resistor is connected to the A0 analog pin of Arduino Uno. There is a reason why we connect the higher voltage to the LDR, because as the intensity increases, the resistance of LDR decreases, and by voltage divider formula, voltage at A0 increases. This shows proportionality between intensity and output at A0. Now let's understand the actual circuit. The 5 volt output of Arduino Uno is connected through this black wire to LDR, and it is connected in series combination with the resistor, and finally given ground through this brown wire. The analog A0 pin is connected through this red wire between LDR and resistor.
Let us understand how the circuit works. When the intensity of light increases, the resistance goes down and the voltage at anode pin increases. Let's see this on the screen. This is the code for showing the output through Arduino IDE. Here I give delay of 10 milliseconds, which means this accepts the input and shows the output after every 10 milliseconds. So now we can see the output of graph through serial plotter. So this is the output at normal intensity. So now when I decreases the intensity with my hand, I am putting my hand on LDR so that intensity of light decreases. So now we can see that there is a sudden decrease in the voltage value. Now when I increases the intensity by using the torch of mobile phone, the intensity goes near 1000. So let's analyze this on linear monitor. Now at normal intensity, the values are around 600. When I put my hand on LDR to decrease the intensity, the values goes around 20. When I use phone torch to increase the intensity, the value is around 1900.
There are many real-life applications of LDR, like in automatic street lights. It responds to darkness by increasing resistance. This triggers a circuit turning on lights when needed, saving energy and promoting sustainability.
We try to replicate the automatic street light model. Here we can see the code. We set some target intensity value. Here it is 500. If the environmental intensity goes less than 500, the LED glows up itself. Here, when I cover the LDR through my hand, the light glows up itself, and when the intensity goes above 500, the LED turned off itself.